Binaural beats are auditory illusions created when two slightly different frequencies are played separately in each ear. These beats are perceived as a third tone, which is the difference between the two frequencies. For example, if a tone of 300 Hz is played in one ear and a tone of 310 Hz is played in the other ear, the binaural beat perceived will be 10 Hz. The process of perceiving binaural beats relies on a phenomenon called frequency following response or brainwave entrainment. When you listen to these beats, the brain synchronizes its electrical activity to match the frequency of the perceived beat. Different frequencies of binaural beats are associated with different mental states. The idea behind using binaural beats is that by exposing the brain to specific frequencies, you can influence its state and potentially induce desired mental states. Regular use of binaural beats may help reduce symptoms of anxiety, tension, and stress-related disorders and promote a sense of calmness. Binaural beats have been explored for their potential to enhance cognitive functions, such as memory, learning, and information processing. Particularly beats in the beta range have been associated with increased focus, attention, and productivity, making them useful for studying or working on demanding tasks. Binaural beats in the delta and theta ranges can promote deep relaxation and improve sleep quality. They can help calm the mind and facilitate a more restful sleep. Binaural beats can be used as a tool to aid in meditation and mindfulness practices. They can assist in achieving a relaxed and focused state, deepening the meditation experience. Binaural beats in different frequency ranges, such as alpha and theta, are believed to positively impact mood and emotional well-being. They may help uplift or balance emotions. Binaural beats have been associated with altered states of consciousness, such as lucid dreaming or out-of-body experiences. They can be used for spiritual or self-exploration purposes. Some individuals report that listening to binaural tones stimulates creativity, enhances problem-solving abilities, and fosters innovative thinking. Binaural tones can facilitate a deeper mind-body connection, allowing individuals to tune into their physical and emotional experiences more effectively. Some individuals use binaural beats as part of their personal growth and self-improvement routines. They may incorporate them into practices like visualization, affirmations, or manifestation. Even if you don't actively use binaural beats for specific purposes, some people enjoy them as soothing background sounds for relaxation or creating a calming atmosphere. To properly use binaural beats, you can follow these general guidelines. 1. Find a quiet and comfortable environment. Choose a peaceful space where you can relax without distractions. 2. Select the desired frequency. Determine the specific mental state or effect you want to achieve. Choose the appropriate frequency range for your intended purpose. 3. Use headphones. Binaural beats work best when listened to through stereo headphones. Make sure each tone is played separately in each ear to create the desired beat. 4. Adjust the volume to a level that is comfortable for you. It should be loud enough to hear the beats clearly but not too loud to cause discomfort. 5. Close your eyes and relax. Close your eyes and focus on the sound of the binaural beats. Allow yourself to relax and let go of any tension or stress. 6. Give it time. Binaural beats may take some time to have an effect. It's recommended to listen to them for at least 15 to 30 minutes to allow your brain to synchronize with the frequencies. 7. Be consistent. Consistency is key when using binaural beats. For best results, listen to them regularly over a period of time rather than expecting immediate or one-time results. 8. Use them appropriately. Binaural beats should not be used while driving, operating machinery, or performing tasks that require focus and attention. They are best suited for relaxation, meditation, or as a part of a calming routine before sleep. Remember that individual experiences with binaural beats can vary, and not everyone may respond to them in the same way. If you have any pre-existing medical conditions or concerns, it's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional before using binaural beats or any other form of audio-based therapy. It's important to note that while these benefits have been reported anecdotally and supported by some research, individual responses to binaural tones may vary. It's recommended to explore and experiment with different frequencies and durations to find what works best for your unique needs and preferences.